going through right on cue.
Hey y'all, it's Brittany, and if you guys want to see how I got my hair like this, keep on watching.
Oh yeah.
For a hair cream, I'm gonna start off with glycerin, orange essential oil for smell, texture ID styling cream, raw shea butter,
I just wanna see you winning.
and Blue Magic hair grease.
I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending. Even caught me sinning. You know that I would do the same. Yeah. Lay me on my side. Fingers roll through my hair. Tell me you down the ride. Saying words from my last. Telling me that she lied. Black men in America, help me build my pride. Walk with me, be part of the stride. I'm the heartbreak kid, but you my heart thrive. Even when the freaker leaks on me like I'm PD Pop. I tell stories from my past, make her eyes sigh. I cut my last bitch off like Sweetie Todd. I heard love was in the air, but shit, who threw the live? They used to show a cold shoulder when I showed my art. You been supportive from the very start, and so the land became the goal, partially in part to you, baby. It's all through you, baby. I give it to you, baby. I don't waste no time to prove it, baby. I got candles waiting, smell like roses baking. Liquor cold, we naked. I wanna make you mine. Wanna see you winning, down since beginning.
This is what your cream should look like once you're all done. Starting off, I'm removing the twists that I previously had in my hair, and I'm going to be very, very gentle in this process because I don't want to damage my hair any more than what I already have.
Fresh off one, but here come two.
Next, I'm going to spray my hair with water and olive oil just to help me detangle it. Now I want you guys to see how I'm detangling my twist right now. I'm taking each strand and I'm unraveling it, and I'm making a part in the middle just to help quicken the process, but I'm still being very, very gentle.
Just like P, she right on cue. When you know what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to catch a vibe, we can meditate. Build a strong bond, we can never break. Open up the sky, we can levitate.
Moving further on, I'm adding the hair cream, and I'm gonna add some extra hair grease to the ends of my hair. I do that just to help protect it because my ends are very dry. I'm going to part my hair, and then within that part, I'm gonna make another part, if that makes sense, and just keep twisting all the way down. Once I reach the ends, I'm just gonna finger coil.
I've been going through right on cue. Hey, I'm trying to catch you. Oh yeah. I just wanna see you winning, down since beginning. I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending. Even caught me sinning, stood there defending my name. I just wanna see you winning, down since beginning. I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending. Even caught me sinning, you know that I would do the same. Yeah. Lay me on my side, fingers roll through my hair. Tell me you down the ride. Saying words from my last, telling me that she lied. Black men in America, help me build my pride. Walk with me, be part of the stride. I'm the heartbreak kid, but you my heart thrive. Even when the freaker leaks on me like I'm PD Pop. I tell stories from my past, make her eyes sigh. I cut my last bitch off like Sweetie Todd. I heard love was in the air, but shit, who threw the live? They used to show a cold shoulder when I showed my art. You been supportive from the very start, and so the land became the goal, partially in part to you, baby. It's all through you, baby. I give it to you, baby. I don't waste no time to prove it, baby. I got candles waiting, smell like roses baking. Liquor cold, we naked. I wanna make you mine. I wanna see you winning, down since beginning. I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending. Even caught me sinning, stood there defending my name. I just wanna see you winning, down since beginning. I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending.
To style my hair, I'm gonna take that spray bottle and just Spray my hair until it's a little damp.
Fresh off one, but here come two. I got a lot of that I've been going through.
I'm going to curl the ends of my hair using perm rods.
I'm trying to catch a vibe we can meditate on. Build a strong bond we can never break on. Open up the sky we can levitate on. Losing track of time when it's getting late on, yeah. Fresh off one, but here come two. I got a lot of that I've been going through. And just like P, she right on cue. When you know what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to catch a vibe we can meditate on.
I'm only curling the ends that are longer, just because I feel like it looks more aesthetically pleasing.
Losing track of time when it's getting late, oh yeah. I've been going through.
This is how it should look once you're done adding the perm rods to your hair. I let them sit in for about an hour and then I took them down.
Oh yeah. Oh, I just wanna see you winning. Down since beginning. I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending. Even caught me sinning, stood there defending my name. Yeah. I just wanna see you winning. Down since beginning. I'm just reminiscing, hoping bliss within the ending. Even caught me sinning. You know that I would do the same. Yeah, yeah. Lay me on my side. Fingers roll through my hair. Tell me you down to ride.
Now that all of the perm rods are removed, I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair to separate the curl.
I'm the heartbreak kid, but you my heart throb. Even when the freaker leaks on me like I'm BD Pop, I tell stories from my past, make her eyes sob.
Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
They used to show a cold shoulder when I showed my art. You've been supportive from the very start, and so the land became the goal, partially in part two.